This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: if the vehicle is equipped with an electronically modulated air suspension system, make sure that the height control switch is turned off before raising the vehicle. Always replace brake pads in pairs on both the left and right sides of the vehicle. Never replace the brake pads on just one side. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the front of the vehicle, then support it securely on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Before disassembling the brake system, position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Do not use compressed air. Do not inhale any brake dust. Using a syringe or equivalent, remove approximately 2/3 of the fluid from the master cylinder reservoir and discard it. Remove the lower caliper bolt. Then pivot the caliper upward to gain access to the pads. Remove the inner and outer brake pads. Remove the top and bottom pad support plates from the mounting bracket. Install the new pad support plates to the caliper mounting bracket. Install the new inner brake pad, then the new outer brake pad. Push the caliper piston back into its bore using a C-clamp and an old brake pad to make room for positioning it onto the new pads. When doing this, the brake fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise, so make sure it doesn't overflow. Be sure to clean and lubricate the caliper mounting pins with a film of high-temperature brake grease before installing the caliper. Replace any damaged guide pin boots if necessary. Swing the caliper down and install the caliper mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Pump the brake pedal several times to set the brake pads in place. Install the wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds on 2009 and earlier models, and 75 foot-pounds on 2011 and later models. Refill the master cylinder reservoir to the indicated lines with the proper type of new brake fluid to compensate for the fluid taken out previously. Check the operation of the brakes carefully before placing the vehicle into normal service.